Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Harness for CI/CD project tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Harness website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill out the registration form with your email address and a secure password. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. An email verification link will be sent to your provided email. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from Harness. Click on the verification link within the email. Once verified, return to the Harness website and log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you'll be prompted to set up your organization. Enter your organization name and any other required details. After organization setup, you'll be directed to the Harness dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Create New Project. Fill in the necessary details for your new project, including the project name, and select the relevant options for CI/CD tracking based on your project needs. Review your selections and click the Create Project button. Your project is now successfully registered within Harness. You can now explore additional features tailored to enhance your CI/CD tracking. To integrate your code repository, navigate to the Integration section. Follow the prompts to connect your preferred source control platform. Once connected, proceed to configure your pipelines. This concludes your registration and initial setup with Harness for CI/CD project tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.